HUDA 604S Universal Test Machine. HUDA 604S is a new generation of multi-function servo double-column tension machine.
Can replace a variety of fixtures to test different materials. Use tools to measure the width and thickness of materials. Installation plate fixture. Made of stainless steel fixture, beautiful and durable. Adjust the spacing of the fixture. Put the material to adjust the tightness of the clamp. Set original height. Fixing materials and waiting for testing. Enter test height. Start the test stretching up as a whole. The material breaks and the value is transferred to the computer. The machine automatically returns to its original height. Installation 3-point bending fixture. Toughness test of wood board. Adjust the compression. Strength to determine the pressure range that the board will withstand when it breaks. The board breaks and the value is transmitted to the computer in real time. Use plate fixture rope endurance and tensile force test. The fixture rises to the set height. The rope breaks. The fixture automatically descends back to its original position. The tensile machine can be connected to the computer. The test and data are updated simultaneously. The software uses Win system. You can choose Chinese and English versions. Clean and beautiful page. Enter the value of the material to be tested. Start testing. Automatic operation of machine and software. Choose different modes to observe the test value changes. high accuracy of test value.